morning, students. I hope you all are healthy and safe. This is your science teacher, and today we will start a new chapter of chemistry, that is, changes around us. Students, in our day to day life, we observe many changes. Even changes are necessary because it is a rule of nature. So, let's see what are important topics and subtopics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. First topic is introduction, जिसमें हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि चेंजेस क्या है और हमारे आसपास चेंजेस हमें कहाँ कहाँ देखने को मिलता है. सेकेंड टॉपिक इज कैन ऑल चेंजेस ऑलवेज बी रिवर्स्ड, इन विच वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट रिवर्सिबल एंड इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस एंड देयर डिफरेंसेस. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस other ways to bring a change by heating, force and mixing. So let's start with the introduction. Students, as these pictures are clearly indicating that we see different types of changes around us, like turning of day into night, change of season, ripening of fruits, cooking of food, melting of ice, growth of our body, growth of nails and hair, etc. नाउ इनमें से कुछ चेंजेस अपने आप होते हैं, जबकि कुछ चेंजेस एक्सटर्नल रीज़न से होते हैं. बट हर चेंज के पीछे एक कॉज होता है और ये चेंजेस हमारे आसपास ऑल द टाइम होते रहते हैं. दीज आर कॉन्टीन्यूसली प्रोसेस. नाउ these changes can be of different types. Some changes can be reversed while some are irreversible. Now, what are reversible and irreversible changes? So, for that, look at this picture. These are unblown balloons. But when we blow the balloon, it becomes larger. So, this is change. Now, can we get back the original shape of the balloon? Yes, simply by let the air out from the balloon, we will get the original shape of the balloon. Now, from this paper, we can make an aeroplane like this by folding it. But can we get back the original shape of the paper? Yes, by unfolding it. In the same way, dough can be changed into rolled roti. Okay, here you can see it can be changed into rolled roti, and again we can change it into dough. In the same way, the rolled roti can be changed into the cooked roti. Here you can see cooked roti or chapati you can say. But can we change it into rolled roti again? So the answer will be no. Okay, so all the green arrows are showing these are reversible changes, but the red cross sign is showing that it is irreversible change. So now let's see the definition of reversible and irreversible changes. First is reversible change. The change which can be reversed by reversing condition is called a reversible change. ऐसे चेंजेस जिनमें सब्सटेंस अपनी पुरानी कंडीशन में वापस आ जाए रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस कहलाते हैं. While the change which cannot be reversed even by changing the condition is called an irreversible change. Now let's see the examples of reversible changes. Glowing of an electric bulb, folding a paper, stretching of rubber band, melting of ice cream, melting of ice, etc. These all are the examples of reversible changes. Now next, the examples of irreversible changes. एजनिंग ऑफ लिविंग बीइंग, यानी कि उम्र का बढ़ना जो कभी वापस नहीं आ सकती. दूध का दही में कन्वर्ट होना, प्लांट की ग्रोथ, लोहे में जंग लगना, डो का चपाती में कन्वर्ट होना, और ये सारे ऐसे चेंजेस हैं जो वापस अपनी पुरानी कंडीशन में नहीं आ सकते. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिवर्सिबल and irreversible changes. Now students, Here we have two activities for you. As you already have understood about reversible and irreversible changes. So now it's your turn to explain these changes through the video. You can take simple examples from your surrounding. Second activity is a table which I have taken from page number 48 of your book. You need to simply fill your answer in yes or no in your book, whether the changes can be reversed or not. First is raw egg to boiled egg. So it cannot be reversed. So the answer will be no. Second is batter to idli, and it will be also no because it cannot be reversed. Now, can we reverse wet clothes to dry clothes? So the answer will be yes, because dry clothes again can be converted or can be changed into wet clothes. So the answer will be yes. In the same way, you will have to fill the complete table that is mentioned in your book. So that's all for today's class. In our next class, we will discuss the causes of changes.